Welcome to the daily maintenance section. Daily floor care procedures are the foundation of extending the life cycle of any floor care system. In this video, we will learn the best ways to remove soils from floors on a daily basis. There are several ways to make these procedures more effective. We will start with entranceways. Proper matting and their daily cleaning is essential. This is the first line of defense in protecting our floor finish from soils. There are various matting systems that trap dirt before it enters your facility. Please check with your distributor on systems available to you. Auto scrubbers provide a far more effective way to clean. They save time, maximize labor, and clean floors far more effectively. They use a constant supply of unsoiled cleaning solutions when cleaning the floor. This translates into reducing the mopping of floors with dirty water and overly soiled mops. There is less operator fatigue as you reduce mop and bucket changes. All of these benefits leave you more time for other tasks such as burnishing and increasing your gloss. Using the right cleaners and water temperature is essential. Neutral cleaners are designed specifically for floors with floor finish. Products such as AP7 and Sunshine Neutral Cleaner will clean without attacking the floor finish. All-purpose cleaners or cleaner degreasers with a high pH will break down floor finishes. Using cool water will also help protect the integrity of the floor finish. Hot water has a tendency to soften finish. Mixing the chemical according to the directions or through dilution control will assure proper dilution and correct pH. Remember, more is not always better. Mopping does matter. Using looped mops that can be laundered make for a better mopping experience. Cut-end mops will fray. They leave lint when they are new and they cannot be laundered. Mops that are not laundered will often promote bacterial growth as they are left to dry in dark closets or left in mop buckets with stagnant water. Using a clean mop is essential in removing soils from the floor and particularly in healthcare facilities. Clean mops and fresh solutions of disinfectants are essential for proper disinfecting. Even with the use of auto scrubbers, mopping is still a part of any floor care program. Using mop handles that promote easy mop changes and quality looped mops will make for a more effective program. So let's take a look at the equipment that you use in a daily maintenance program. Wet floor signs, dust mops, mop bucket and wringer, mop and handle, scrapers, dryer floor fan, auto scrubber if available, neutral cleaner, and a dust mop treatment. We'll begin by mixing our neutral cleaner with cool water according to the label. Next, inspect and clean your entranceways. Vacuum any walk-off mats. Use a wet vac during times when there may be excessive water. This will keep water off the floors and provide a safer facility. A floor fan can also help dry these areas, and make sure to place wet floor signs. Dust mop any areas to be cleaned with neutral cleaners. A good dust mop treatment will aid in more effective dust and soil removal. Place wet floor signs in areas to be cleaned. Use an auto scrubber to clean the area. Use overlapping passes to assure the whole floor is cleaned. Check floors for any leftover cleaning solution from the auto scrubber and mop them. When using mops, clean the edges and baseboards in the area you will mop. Don't oversoak the mop with solution. You will want to use enough solution to wet and remove the soil, but you want to avoid overwetting the floor. This will leave a residue on the floor and take longer to dry. Finally, remove your wet floor signs when the floor is dry and move to the next area to be cleaned. So let's recap our daily maintenance routine. First, we mixed our cleaner. Then we inspected the entryways. Next, we used a scraper to remove any sticky debris. We ran a dust mop over the areas to prep for the auto scrubber. We placed our wet floor signs. We cleaned the area with our auto scrubber or mop. We mopped any puddles from auto scrubbing. And finally, we removed our wet floor signs. Thank you for joining us for the daily maintenance portion of the Simoniz floor care training video.